Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun training. It's out of the Silom Dao. It's applying the Bong Sao to a jab and cross. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support. Have a great day.
So in the Silom Dao form, you have your Bong Sao, your Tan Sao, and your palm strike. So ideally, it's a Dai Jeon, it's a lower palm strike, right? So in the form, it's Bong. Don't forget the Tan disperses and then down, right? So it starts left, Bong. Bong Sao lifts, Tan disperses, Dai Jeon. Okay, what we're going to do is we'll take it and just use it in application. So what I want you to do from level 1 to 3, we're going to start with this simple. He's going to shoot the jab. You're going to step offline with the bone, but he's not going to leave his arm out there. He's not going to pose, but for just teaching purposes, this is where we're at. He's going to shoot the cross right from there. Your park is already here. Your tans are going to disperse, palm strike or palm strike. So you have your bone into your tan. So it's a bone, tan, hit, or hit. I don't care how you play it. It's just an application from here to here. So what's your golden rule? So touch one hand, look at the elder. You can just disperse with the tan. Sometimes the pak just adds a safety net to it. Okay, so the jab cross, 1, 2. So now he's going to throw it real quick and pull it back, right? So again, slow. Start with the arm out, but you know reality is going to dictate because I get all these comments online. Well, nobody leaves their arm out there. Yeah, I know. But to start for a beginner level, I need to what? Judge my distance, work on my timing, and make sure I'm okay. If you can't do it slow, you can't do it. So I start with the arm out so I can learn to appreciate where my distance is in space versus my partner. Naturally, he's just going to pull him back. So I'm here, back through, and I'm right back where I need to be. I don't care if he pulled him back. My distance has set me off where I need to be. All right, so one more time. Bong Sao, Tan Sao. You can hit. I don't care if you want to pak tan. Doesn't matter. Fists or palms, okay? Nice and simple. So in the air, bong, tan and hit, and just follow it through. You guys okay? Level 1 to 3, all right?
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.